Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how to crochet this lovely baby blanket. This is a crosshatch pattern which has been slightly modified to give it a 3D look. As a result, the texture is squishy and spongy. I recommend using lightweight, size 3 yarn and size 4mm hook for this project. The foundation chain for the pattern is a multiple of 5 plus 6 chains. The size of the blanket is 33 by 36 inches. You will do 186 chains if you would like to do the same blanket. But for this tutorial, I'm making a sample swatch, so I'm looping only 26 chains. Starting row 1, which is the setup row. Chain 2. This is the turning chain and counts as a half double crochet stitch. Skip the 2 chains we just made and work a half double crochet in the next chain. Work another half double crochet in the following chain. So we have 3 half double crochets at the beginning of the row. Next, chain 1 and skip 1 chain. Work 4 half double crochets in the next 4 chains. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Next, chain 1 and skip 1 chain. Work 4 half double crochets in the next 4 chains. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. So far we have a group of 3, 4, and 4 half double crochets. Continue working the chain 1 and 4 half double crochets. At the end of the row, we work a group of 3 half double crochets. Row 1 is complete. So we have the 3 half double crochets at the start, then 4 half double crochets, and end with the 3 half double crochets. Moving on to row 2, chain 3, and turn the work over. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet stitch. Now, work a double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch, Work a front post single crochet in the next stitch. You insert the hook from the front of the post, push out from the back, and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. This front post single crochet is what gives the pattern its 3D effect. Next, chain 3. Work 3 double crochets in the next chain space. One double crochet. Two. And 3. Okay, these are essentially the basic stitches for this whole pattern. You have a front post single crochet, followed by a chain 3, and followed by a group of 3 double crochets in the next chain space. Next, skip these 3 stitches and work a front post single crochet in the next stitch, which sits before the chain space. Now, chain 3. Next, work 3 double crochets in the next chain space. 1, 2, and 3. This is a cluster of the same stitch pattern. Keep repeating the pattern all the way across. After the last cluster, work a single crochet in the space between the last 2 stitches. Row 2 is complete. You start with 2 double crochets at the beginning, but finish with a single crochet at the end. Moving on to row 3. Chain 3. And turn the work over. Now, there is a space between the previous single crochet and the group of 3 double crochets. Work a double crochet in the space there. Next, skip 2 stitches and work a front post single crochet in the following stitch. Now, chain 3 and work 3 double crochets in the next chain space. 1 and 2 and 3. Continue repeating the same pattern across the row again. So here I just work the last of the cluster. To finish the row, put a single crochet between the 2 double crochets from the previous row. Row 3 is complete. Moving on to row 4. Chain 3. And turn the work over. Work a double crochet in the space between the previous single crochet and the group of 3 double crochets. Now from here on out, repeat row 3 until you reach the length of the blanket you want. Always end with a single crochet between the last 2 stitches. The pattern has straight side borders. The last row has a smooth and wavy edge. We just need to add a row on the opposite side. Tie a slip knot. Working from the front side. Insert the hook in the first stitch. Chain 3. Now, work a double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch. Work a front post single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the same pattern with the stitches upside down. Finish with a single crochet stitch and fasten off. Now we have the same wavy edges on both ends. Love this soft and spongy texture. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.